Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 says, you work for a company that produces dog shampoo. The cost formula used is cost equals 0.23 times the volume in gallons. As online sales increase, you need the formula in terms of liters. What would be the cost formula in terms of liters? So the first thing I'm going to have to do is find a conversion from gallons to liters. And if I have a conversion sheet, or I could look up online, I find out that 1 gallon equals 3.785 liters. And so with that information, I can rewrite my cost function in terms of liters. So I have cost is equal to 0.23 times the volume in gallons, and I'm going to convert that into the volume in liters. So my cost function will be 0.23, and since I'm going to use a factor label method or dimensional analysis, I'm going to put that over 1 so I could see all the fractions, times I have 1 gallon. I'm also going to put that over 1, and here I'm going to do my conversion. I want to cancel out the gallon unit and divide that out of the problem and be left with the liter unit. So the form of 1 that I would use would be 3.785 liters for every 1 gallon. If I go ahead and multiply 0.23 times 1 times 3.875, since it's all over 1, I will have my new cost function. If I punch that into a calculator and I round off, I get 0.87055, and that would be now times the volume in liters. And so my answer would be cost is equal to 0.87055 times the volume in liters.